Okay,
Alright, so hi
everyone.
everybody,
So
welcome
this
back to
is
my
the
YouTube channel.
mannequin.
So I'm basically showing you guys
I don't know if
that
I
I have
can
a new
bring it closer.
mannequin, and I'm gonna be showing you
Oh,
guys how I'm
hold on.
combing the hair, and I think I'm gonna be learning
Okay.
how
So
to
this is the
put some
mannequin
braids and
itself,
do some
and
hairstyles. So I
so what I've been
usually
doing
show
is
like
I've been
how I'm just
trying
doing
my
some
best to
clips,
practice. So
two little
how
combs
I'm
to
gonna do
part the
this,
hair with,
I have
and
to.
some
I think I have to
elastic
stand.
bands.
Let me bring this
So
a little
I
there,
cannot wait to do some styling
and then
hairstyles
I'm going
with this
to
mannequin.
turn her head.
So
And
that is what I'm
if
going
you
to
are
do.
somebody
And then
who wants to
we'll
learn,
see
like I
how
said,
I
I'm
go,
very
okay?
bad
So
at
let me
braiding,
pause this and then we'll go
but
there.
I can twist and I can do so. I'm gonna see what styles I can do in this meantime. So if you guys want like braids, like tips and tricks of how to braid, you guys can give me a comment. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna no, actually, I should do this side because I want you guys to see. Okay. So I'm gonna go over here, and then I'm going to put this over here. So hold on a second. Okay. So now I have the hair. I'm gonna come a little bit to here so y'all can see me. So now I am somebody who wants to learn how to braid. So this is how I braid. So this is like a little tutorial about how I braid. So this is a big braid right here. And I will tell you guys a story. I used to struggle with braiding. Like I was not somebody that was good with braiding. And like I still feel like if I, learn how to braid and like do something fun and entertaining, then I know like that is what I want to do. So yeah, because I right now the only problem I cannot braid like this. I cannot do that. So that is the only thing I cannot do. I cannot do it. I always struggled to braid, and like there's a picture I did, well, 4 years ago, how I was trying to braid and like I couldn't do it. So this is my first braid. Okay, let me know in the comments what you guys think. And if you and I know like it's not parted straight. That's the only thing like with me. It's like it's not parted straight. So yeah, let me check something. All right. So next option is, of course, when you are on a mannequin, a hair salon, you want to make sure the hair is combed nicely. Okay. Every hair needs to be nice and combed. All right. So another thing, how I want to learn. Another thing, I want to try to learn how to braid like this. Like, let me see if I can take some and like just part it so, and then go like this, and then have another clip, and then I'm gonna pin this part for 2 seconds. So again, it's not part, but it's okay. This is just practice. I'm doing it now. Okay, so another thing, I used to struggle. I couldn't braid like this first time. Like put the braid like this. I couldn't do this first time. But another braid that I wanna learn is like when you go like into the hair and you wanna like try to like braid it in. But I can't do that. Like braid it in. But I'm trying to like braid it in, but this is all I can do. But I'm glad like I can braid, but like I can't go like this yet. So I'm gonna be practicing until like I actually, get it, And there's another braid. I'm not gonna say it's the best, but like that's how the braid is. And if you are somebody, let's say for example, let me pause, please. this hair. This hair. Let's say, for example, if you are somebody. Oh yeah, this was the braid I did before, guys. I was just learning. This is the braid I did before. Yeah, because there's another braid. Oops. Let me pause this. Yeah. So another thing. Oh, sorry. Another thing, guys. If you are somebody that's like, let's say, if you're a new beginner and you know, like, you don't see what you're doing, you can use this to double check to see if the hair is started straight. Or if you don't want to use that, you can use the comb, which is more better ideas. Right now, this reminds me of doing my hair. It's just so fun. Head mannequin. This is like a practice hair tutorial. So I'm going to turn it here so y'all can see me. So I'm on this side right now, and I'm gonna try to braid on this side just to get you guys to see what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm going to use this big giant braid here. And now I'm going to part the hair like this. See, it's nice and straight. See, nice and straight. And then, if you want, you can braid like here, and here, and here, 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 like here. And another tip with braiding, you want to make sure your hands are like not high. That's the only thing I'm not good with when it comes to braiding. Because when you braid, the braid is like up like this. You want to like go downwards. So that is what you have to do with the hair. Okay. I think this is pretty good. I'm not gonna say it's 100%. I didn't go like in. I should have went like deep in. That's why I really need some practice, more practice. But yeah, guys, this is another braid. I wish I did here, but I should have went in the hair, like went deep in it. So that's the only thing I'm really bad with. I can't like braid the hair like in it, like go like this, like step by step, and then like this. Maybe I took too much hair. I'm gonna try to take some back. And this, and then like this. Let me know in the comments, guys, what you guys think. I'm trying to see if I can do it better again. Yeah, I messed up the look of it. Yeah, yeah, I messed it up. Yeah, yeah, guys. So anybody who's like interested of like wanna like if you like these type of hair tutorials, let me know. So guys, this is what it did. Let me know if you guys think this is good or if you still need more work. It's not bad. It's not bad, but I could have went in more deep. But yeah, guys, this is my hair tutorial with my mannequin that I got today. I'm so happy for this mannequin. This mannequin kind of looks like me, right? But anyways, yeah, I love it. It's so cute. I can style it whatever I like. Okay, so let me know what I did in the comments. But yeah, I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Let me know what you guys think. And Yeah, guys, stay tuned for vlogs. I have some vlogs you guys get to watch and see. I cannot wait for the next one. Bye and enjoy your day. And I just want to say, there's a subscriber subscribe to my channel. I just want to say thank you so much oh my goodness for subscribing to my channel. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you. God bless you. And I will continue to give you videos that you guys will enjoy. Okay. But more than that, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Okay. Bye.